Is it recording already?
Oh, it is.
There you go. What's up?
So I'm pretty sure you guys remember Carlos. This is Carlos. This is actually their dad's car, but I mean, it's basically...
Dude, we don't know whose car this is. This is everybody's
car. It's one of our car, yeah. it's the
It's a family car.
Yeah, the family car. But he's never got to ride in it ever since Ella swapped it and did all this stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and take him for a ride, and then after I show him some things, like kind of how the car works and the brakes and stuff, I'm gonna let him drive it. So let him feel how fast it is.
Hayden has trust issues, so he definitely wants to show me how to use everything first, so he doesn't die.
Well, like the brakes. This thing doesn't have a booster in it, so the brakes don't feel the greatest. So like I just keep my distance on everybody.
Move?
But yeah, they do. So you can come forward.
Okay, yeah, because that's pretty far back.
I just like set it way back because
I'm good. I'm good here, but when I drive, I'm probably gonna.
No, I have it way far. That's why I'm so close to it, so I can make sure like if I have to smash the brakes, I have enough like leg length on my legs to do it. So
all those that lifting's finally paying off.
Yeah. The brakes don't feel too bad though.
No?
You just gotta like lightly tap them and they feel great. Inside the car, but like if another car was next to you, like they don't take off that hard.
Yeah.
You feel like it like spun real hard, and then I just like left the throttle like almost full throttle.
Dude, it feels pretty quick.
That's quick. That was probably like allegedly about 115, 120.
Yeah. You shouldn't go that fast in Mexico though. I think it's illegal.
In Mexico it's okay.
Oh yeah? 115 kilometers per hour, right?
Yeah, up here we'll stop when I'll let you drive it. Alright. Are you scared to drive it or what?
I'm scared to drive it.
So like if you just shift it early at like 5,500, like you can just like cruise it around first, you can get used to driving it.
Yeah. I'm pretty shaky already. I don't know why.
So we'll slow down a little bit. Yeah, so then now like just go back.
It's so controllable.
Yeah, it's almost like scary at first time. Yeah. Just like, I don't know if I'd go all the way in third until you get used to like the shifter.
Yeah, I won't.
And like it will spin a little in seconds, so be ready for it, yeah.
My reaction is to like do something with the shifter when I'm slowing down.
Yeah. to like 4,000 or 3,500, and then floor it.
Oh, like a roll, like a first gear one?
Yeah, like a first gear roll.
Dirty action, bro.
Dude.
Oh shit, that's fun.
Was because like I could feel it like carry the spin over.
Yeah.
Because like you just kept it floored, I pedaled it.
Yeah.
But like it'll carry that spin through second.
Yeah. I need another shot of that.
And you
Because
smacked
I
limiter all
smacked it hard. I wasn't. I've been doing
Slow
second
down a
gear
little bit
ones.
more.
So. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
All right, guys. So we just got back from doing some more pulls in the Falcon. Actually got him to do a couple first gear hits.
It's crazy. He made it look easy, but I couldn't do it that well.
So that's the thing, right? Is this is his first time ever driving a ratchet shifter like this. So he's never drove a car with a manual valve body like this. So it's all new to him. So he's just trying to get used to it. But yeah. Yeah, really fun car.
Yeah, it's fun. Except when you go from first to third on accident. That little pinky was getting too fancy, you know. It was trying to pull that little lever.
So the shifter actually has, like, if you're in first, you can pull it all the way back to second. And until you hit the lever, it won't let you go into third. Like, if you grab the lever, you'll go all the way into third. So he did that on one of the hits, as you can tell. I get bogged.
And then the other one, I just, stayed on limiter for a little bit, but then kept going. Yeah, you guys saw the video. Hayden.
It's all right.
Freaked out a little bit. It's all right.
Yeah, I got a little scared. But I mean, we put pack 1218 springs in it, so it's got a little bit stiffer springs. Still like a regular beehive setup, but it's got stiffer springs. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. This Friday we're gonna be going to the dyno with it and tuning it, so check that out. I may do a live stream from that. I know Derek is gonna do a live stream. Obviously, Carlos is gonna be here. His dad's gonna be there, and,
for sure.
And so is Gladys. But it's gonna be a fun Friday night for sure. And then I mean, last things last on this thing, we just got to wire up the trans brake on it and do a couple little things.
That's going to be crazy, dude.
Do some trans brake hits on it and take it to the track. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.
Leave your guesses on the horsepower.
Yeah, leave your guesses on the horsepower down below. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Whoever guesses closest to the horsepower is going to get a free t-shirt. So, as long as you're in the U.S., unless you want to pay for shipping somewhere else. But until next time, see you guys.
All right, we'll see you.